What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. We're going over Boston-Zachem Bridge, headed to Costco. We're running 10 minutes behind, but I do have the whole family with me. And today, Sunday, June 8th, we do have another exciting video because Costco has just released their hot buys for the month. Let's not waste any time. Here we are in Everett, Massachusetts. Let's get inside and see what we can find. And here we are starting the video off from Costco's Hot Buys. Every deal is valid till June 15th. We have the Max Sports right in front of us. This is their extra large folding wagon. Easy to fold up, has a steel frame, all-terrain wheels, has a maximum load of 350 pounds. Right there, there's a little access port where you can put longer items such as an umbrella in there. Pretty cool little wagon here. I did give some alternative options on my Amazon video, so if you haven't watched that, watch this video right here. We have some great other options for substantially less price, but you can grab this wagon right here, $20 off for $76.99. And moving on, friends, to our next item from Kirkland's Signature, a very popular item here at Costco. We're looking at their all butter pound cake. Now, it is 32 ounces in size. A lot of people love this pound cake. It does have 280 calories per serving, 34 grams of carb with 18 grams of added sugar, has 4 grams of protein, and today they're giving us $1.50 off the price, bringing it down to $5.49. And next up, from Costco's Hot Buys, we do have their design optics. These are their Foster Grants. Now, these are their reading glasses, and we do have from 1.25x all the way up to 3x. Now, these are a great price because everyone knows who do use reading glasses, you lose these like crazy. And these are a pretty fantastic price for a 3-pack. They're giving us $3 off the price, bringing it down to $13.99. Available at Costco online for $2 more. In my video yesterday, we did show some great Father's Day gift ideas. Also, those deals were a limited time. We showed this Triton backpack cooler, but in today's video, we're featuring the Triton 40-can collapsible cooler right in front of us. I actually own this cooler. It's pretty awesome. What I love about it, it collapses completely flat like a pancake. We have the green, we also have the gray, and this is a pretty fantastic price. Not too expensive, definitely a great gift idea as well. The backpack cooler, $32.99. The collapsible cooler, $6 off, bringing it down to $23.99. Now that cooler is part of Costco's Hot Buys. And moving on, this time from Hisense, we're looking at their 8000 BTU. This is their dual hose portable air conditioner. Now, this air conditioner is pretty nice. What I like about it, it has 2 separate hoses, one for your intake and one for your exhaust. Anytime we talk about portable air conditioners on my channel, I always recommend buying one with 2 separate hoses. That means it has a hose for the intake and a hose for an exhaust. Everyone knows, or everyone should know by now, the window ACs are going to be much more proficient at cooling your house down. You can see there the 2 hoses. One's the intake, one's an exhaust. This is the type of unit you want to buy if you are considering a portable air conditioner. Now, they're a lot easier to install. You just roll them right up to the window and hook them up and you're good to go. But this is a great price, $80 off the price, $269.99. And here we have the very popular neck fan. Now, this one comes in a 2-pack. Super popular, 2 to 18 hours of operating time, and it has 5 different speed settings, which is great. Now, this unit is ultra quiet, which is great. Super lightweight, weighing just over half a pound, so it is very lightweight. The only issue with this product, if you're a little bit on the larger side, maybe you're 6 feet tall, maybe XL or 2XL, this is probably not going to be comfortable for you. It may be a little bit snug around the neck. If you got a thicker neck, this is more meant for a petite person, someone on the smaller side, in my opinion. If you're a little bit bigger, you may not like this, but let me know in the comments section as well. $8 off the price, $26.99. And now for the ladies, we do have the very popular Hillary Radley's. This is her short sleeve blouse, very popular here at the warehouse. We have the green right in front of us. We do have the white with the flowers to my left, and then the navy with the flowers to my right. Hillary Radley, very popular brand. We have sizes small all the way up to XL. If you need 2X or 3X, that's available online with the same color patterns. Now, if you buy it online, you can save $20 or $50 potentially. It does qualify for the mix and match. Here at the warehouse, $3 off the price, bringing it down to $11.99. If you do choose to buy it at Costco online, it's $13.99. Also for the ladies, we do have the Buffalo Women's. This is their linen blend button front shirt. We're looking at the white and blue variation. They also have pink, and then they do have the green to my right. All three of them look great. Now this is a super lightweight button front shirt, which is great. They have sizes extra small all the way to XL. If you need 2X or 3X, that's available online. If you buy it online, it does qualify for that mix and match, which is great, where you can potentially save $20 to $50 extra, $11.99 here at the warehouse, $13.99 at Costco online. And next up, just ahead, we also have another great product, this time from Philips. We're looking at their Sonic Care. This is their Optimal Clean rechargeable electric toothbrush. Comes in a 2-pack here at Costco, obviously. Now, it does remove up to 10 times more plaque removal than using a manual toothbrush. Has 2 different cleaning modes. It has a clean and a whiten with only 2 different intensity settings. So what do you get exactly? You get 2 toothbrushes, the heads, and travel cases. Also has a 2-minute smart timer, and today, a $30 discount. That's going to bring the price down to $69.99. Another awesome deal for Costco's Hot Buys, we're looking at the gold kiwis. Now these are fantastic. These are sourced from US, New Zealand, and Italy. 20 plus vitamin and minerals. Now kiwis are delicious. Let me know if you love kiwis in the comments. I actually prefer the green ones instead, but that's okay. These are currently $3 off the price, which is great, $8.99. Another great deal from Costco's Hot Buys, we're looking at the Kirkland Signature. This is their premium boneless pork shoulder butt. Now today, they're giving us $5 off per package. So that means when you're digging through this pile here, try to find the least expensive package you can find, the one that weighs the least. That way you can maximize your savings when you do take it to the register, because they're taking $5 off per package, not per pound, per package. And you can see there, all these deals are valid to June 15th, so no need to rush over to Costco today or tomorrow. You still have plenty of time. And next up, who doesn't love a crunch? Right in front of us, we do have the organic everything bagel chips. Now these do look very, very delicious. I love a nice crunch. Now these do have the everything bagel seasoning. They're 15 ounce total. These are fantastic. Great for parties. Great to put on your salads. They're great with chips and dips. Now this is a great product here at Costco. Now let's have a look at these macros. 120 calories for 9 pieces, 11 carbs, 1 gram of added sugar, and 2 grams of protein. Yes, it does have seed oils. I've never tried it before, but if you do like it, let us know in the comments. $2.50 off, $5.49. One of the biggest sellers here at Costco, definitely in the top 3. It's usually paper towels, tissue paper, and facial tissues. Right in front of us, we have the Kleenex. This is our soothing lotion facial tissues. Now it is 3-ply. We get an 85 count, has coconut oil, aloe, and vitamin E. It comes in a 12-pack, 1,020 total tissues. And today, we're getting $4 off the price, bringing it down to $15.99. A little high up there, don't you think? And next up from Dr. Pepper, we have the regular and we also have the diet, 35 cans per case. Now this is a blend of 23 flavors, which I didn't know, 12 ounces per can. And today they're giving us a good deal, $4.20 off the price, not bad at all, bringing it down to $13.69. Now you can choose between regular or diet, $13.69. And now another very popular item here at Costco. These are the Island Way sorbets. A lot of people love these. These are handcrafted. They're in actual real fruit shells, which is pretty awesome. Now a lot of people love these, especially the kids, because they're holding those real shells. They're super fun, but they do have a good amount of sugar content, so be aware of that. They pretty much all average over 15 grams of sugar, as high as 25, but these are super fun. $4.50 off the price. You do get a 12 count, $11.49. And for our gluten-free viewers, we do have Sabatassos. This is their 4-cheese pizza that does come in a 3-pack. A lot of people love this pizza as well. It's thin, it's crispy, 4 different cheeses. Now this is gluten-free for our gluten-free viewers. Let's take a look at those macros. 320 calories per serving. It does have 36 grams of carbs and 12 grams of protein, 1 gram of added sugar. And today they are giving us $4.30 off the price, bringing it down to $12.69. And next up from Hillshire Farms, we have our slow roasted turkey breast. Now we do get 11 ounces total and we get 3 packages. So we do get just over 2 pounds of turkey breast, 99% fat free, gluten free, no artificial flavors, no nitrates, no nitrites in it, and 99% fat free, 50 calories per serving and less than 1 gram of carbs with 10 grams of protein. Pretty great macros. And today, $3.20 off the price. That is a fantastic deal. A lot less expensive than an organic brand, $9.69. And then to my left from Palm Wonderful, we have their 100% pomegranate juice, 64 ounces in total, a pretty huge bottle here. It's a super powerful antioxidant and it is made from concentrate. Now this bottle is BPA free for those of you who are wondering. Let's have a look at the back at the macros, 160 calories per serving, and as you can see there, now this is 100% pomegranate juice. Now let's take a look at the carbs, 39 grams of carbs and no added sugar. And today they're giving us $3 off the price, bringing it down to $7.39 for 64 ounces total. And next up, we also have the Cheetos from Costco's Hot Buys. Currently on sale, they're taking $2.40 off the price. Another popular item here at Costco. Now the Cheetos, you have plenty of time to grab these items here in today's video. Every deal in today's video does expire on June 15th. Now from Cheetos, they're taking $2.40 off the price. That's going to bring it down to $4.99. And you do get this massive bag, 28.8 ounces, almost 2 pounds for only $4.99. And moving along, next up from Costco's Hot Buys, let's have a quick look at the Airwicks. Now these are pretty popular here at the warehouse. These are scented oils. You get one warmer with 9 refills. They're not the greatest for you, but a lot of people do love them. We have the vanilla, we have the lavender, papaya, we have chamomile. These are mixed variation packs, $4.50 off the price, bringing it down to $13.49. And now a great deal on the variety pack of Ziploc bags. Now these are pretty great to have on hand. We have 52 1-gallon bags, 46 quart bags, 116 sandwich bags, and then 108 snack bags, a total of 322 bags. If you do need the variety pack, this is a great deal. Me personally, I only buy the gallon and the quarts, $2.90 off the price. That's going to bring it down to only $11.49. That's a 322 count. Also from Costco's Hot Buys, we have their fabric softener. Now this is from Bounce. Now these are the dryer sheets. We do get 160 count per box and 2 boxes per package, a total of 320 dryer sheets. Now the scent on these are outdoor fresh, and these are the 5-in-1s. And today, a decent discount, not the greatest, but decent, $2.20 off the price. That's going to get the price down to only, $8.79. And just down the aisle from Cascade, let's have a look at their Platinum Plus. This is their dishwashing detergent. Now we do get a total count of 82 action packs per container. Now it does have 2 times the scrubbing power with 2 times the grease fighting power. These are also kosher, I might add. This is a new and improved formula, the fresh scent. Now today, $5 off the price. That's going to bring it down to only $20.49. And now from Vanity Fair, we're looking at their everyday napkin right in front of us, but they do have 2 different variations here at the warehouse. You may have both, or you may have one and not another. Now these right in front of us, these are the 2-ply everyday. They do have a 3-ply as well. So this one comes in a 6-pack, 110 count per 6-pack. So you do get 660 total. And today they're taking $2.50 off the price for us. That's going to bring it down. Let's have a look at that sign. Only $9.49. And next up, we do have the Crest 3D right in front of us. Now this does come in a 5-pack, another popular item here at Costco. Now today's Hot Buys, I feel like wasn't the greatest. Some decent products. Now this does come in a 5-count. Each bottle is 5.2 ounces. Now it does remove up to 100% of surface stains in just 3 days. It strengthens your enamel. And today we're taking $4 off the price. That's going to get it down to $11.99. And we also have the Brita on sale. I do have to take a walk and find that. I couldn't find the water pitcher, so most likely it's sold out at this local warehouse. Some of the items do sell out. So here we're looking at the replacement filters. This is a great deal from Brita. Now the water filter is a good deal too if you have that at your local warehouse. I didn't have it at mine or I couldn't find it. It's super busy here at the warehouse. Very, very busy. That's why my filming today is kind of off, I feel like. I don't want to bump into everybody. Now, this does come in a 10-pack, so you get 10 filters in total. Great deal here. $12.50 off the price, $32.49. And there were a couple of deals I just couldn't find here at the warehouse, so I'll pin those up on the screen. We have the gun safe from Sanctuary, $150 off, bringing it down to $4.99. The vegetable tray with the ranch dip, I couldn't find that either, $2 off. $15 off the non-prescription sunglasses. And when it comes to vacation time, always check Costco. For Costco's Hot Buys, we have 3 amazing vacation packages. Take a look at these. These are pretty sweet. If you're not interested in those, have a look at Costco's website. We have other great deals. The pharmacy Hot Buys, here those are. And definitely check out Costco Next from Dell Technologies. All right, friends, end of the video here. If you do want to watch some POV action, make sure you stay till the end of the video. You can watch me dodge through all these people here at the warehouse. Nobody can drive this shopping cart better than I can. And if you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you're already subscribed and you want to support the channel even further, just hit that thumbs up button. We appreciate it. And if you have an idea for our next giveaway, leave a comment below. Make sure it's kind of like under $100. I'm not rich. So friends, thank you for watching the video. I hope everyone had a wonderful weekend. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Peace.